What's up mga kasabawers? Welcome to my channel. And this vlog is all about demonstration about in hardware. And this is the things to need to demonstrate with our manager. So let's see how to demonstrate regarding the knowledge of the features and benefits of the hard goods transport. Let's watch this.
Guys, good morning.
Good morning. Why are you sleeping?
Energetic morning, right?
Yes.
So early in the morning there is wobble by
Yeah,
default.
by
I like this default. Okay, very good. This is a good sign for today. We will do good sale.
Yes.
Now after that one, we start. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
So this is a small, let's say it's a workshop regarding the hardware. All of you are new in the hardware. Okay, Malki and me, we were working on Wakra. So I have given some knowledge to her. Besides that, I was planning since long days in order to give you the proper knowledge, product knowledge on the hardware. Okay. So first week we have clothes, toys, feeding and hardware. For today, let's talk about only hardware and transport, travel and transport. Furniture, transport. These are the transport and furniture.
What's the transport?
Transport
Transport.
to travel. You know the medium of transport. Cars, buses. The same like for the baby.
Yeah, okay, I got
Okay,
it.
you got it now? So, let's assume we are a parent. We are a parent, we are going to have kids. So we should think like that. When a customer enters in our store, customer is a parent. Who are coming in the store, they are all parents. Okay, we have to deal with them being we as a parent in terms of hard goods. Whenever we have to feel our baby should be comfortable and very safe. Always remember, whenever you are dealing with a customer, you don't need to deal deeply in clothes. You don't need to go deeply in the clothes and clothes. You have to go very deep to hardware and fittings. This is very delicate thing. Very delicate. And every time when you are dealing with a customer, any guest coming in the store, you have to every time remember two things. One is comfortness and one is safety for the baby, newborn baby. Okay, so let's go with the travel, transport. Go with the stroller, car seat. These are the medium of transport for the newborn baby. Just concentrate here, okay? For SMIC, we have how many brands in Landmark? How many brands we are selling in strollers or pushchairs? Let me be clear. This is called stroller, pushchairs and prams. There are three synonyms named for this product: stroller, pram and pushchair. Three. Okay. So whenever customers enter, they will ask, "Give me a pram." So you have to remember, this is the pram. Stroller is a pram. Pushchair. Why it is called pushchair? Baby can sit and we can push. This is pushchair. Now, how many brands we are selling? This is the thing. Depending on the brand, there's difference in quality, model. There's difference. Okay. So in SMIC Landmark, we are selling SMICKY, our own product, of collaborative product, and Baby Yo-Yo is universal product. Okay. Here we don't have Queenie. Okay. In SMIC Wakra there is Queenie as well. Queenie and Baby Jogger. There are 5 brands. SMIC product. Okay. Which we are collaborated with 5 brands. Smitty, Hop, Baby Yo-Yo, Queenie and Baby Choice. These are the 5 brands. But here we are selling only 3 brands, which is Smitty, Baby Yo-Yo and Hop. 3 brands. Only 3 brands. So let's talk about our own product. Smitty is made of brand is from Poland. You all are aware of this one, right? So Smitty has different varieties of strollers. Different varieties of strollers. One hand folding, long folding. Okay. So depending on the frame, there are lots of brands. I mean variety products, styles. We call it styles, SKU. Okay. Now I'm here to talk about this one. This is called Thunder. This is the best seller for our people. This is the best seller. Why it is best seller? Now anyone can ask why it is best seller. I'm going to talk about the feature of this stroller. Every stroller has, every pushchair's pram has a similar feature. It's a similar feature. Baby can sit, baby can sleep. Okay? And now folding. How it can be folded. There is one hand folding and long fold by leg. Okay, this is one hand folding. How it is one hand folding? You can see the lever is on hand. So it's one by one. Mother is carrying. For example, this is the closing position. Correct? I will tell you how to close and how to open it. Mother is carrying on baby. Okay. Now she cannot put her baby down and make it proper, right? So one hand. This is one hand. So baby, you can. This is one hand. Okay. Now how to fold this one? Very simple. Every time remember, whenever you guys want to demonstrate for the customer, the position of this should be down. Every time it should lie down. So one hand, very simple. Very simple. So it will be folded perfectly. And to unfold same, by one. So how I did? Here is the lever out. You can stand and you can stand on. Stand. Here is a lever. Okay. When you press the lever on this side, on the left side, and press the another lever inside, so this one will fold very easy.
Automatic lang.
It will lock automatically. Okay. And same for to unfold. This is how you fold it. Anyone wants? You can try. Try.
No, I press. It's not working. That
Press,
side.
press and
Opposite.
front.
Like this.
Like one. Can I? Let me. Press here. Front.
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 Front. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Press it.
Yes. Yes.
Press it, then front. Press it in the front. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let me try once, right?
Push more.
Front, right? Okay, I'm right for it.
Get it. Clap, 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 clap. Unfold. Same.
I'm pushing out. I'm pressing and go. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Bro. Like this. Okay, very strong. Okay. Then open.
Same way.
Okay.
Very good.
Whenever you guys are demonstrating on the customer, if you guys do like it, no one is going to.
No one's buying.
No good. No
No one
good.
like it.
Because they're confused
You are
also.
not confident.
Yeah.
Demonstrate.
It's happened one time.
Okay? Every time, remember,
For me,
everyone. Make a good practice on it. Whenever you have leisure time, don't stand on something. Not something else. Okay, this is the negligence. This foot. You think that you are capable of this. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. There is also on hog there is also one hand folding and flat folding. Sorry, one hand folding and long folding. Okay, by leg. So this is also very easy, one hand folding. Just there is a lever in this area. There is a lever. Just press this side. Just hold. Also similarly.
Run that one lock.
Then there is the lock. This is the lock. This is the lock. This one without this one with manual lock. Okay, this one is automatic lock. This is manual. So whenever you want to demonstrate customer, bring this one outside. Right? Okay. Same. You can try that. And now baby yo-yo. Baby yo-yo has a different feature. Okay. This one is very compact and small stroller and very strong. So to pull this one, there are two levers this side. You have to press this one. Yep. It will come this side, down, and here. Check this. There is a red. Press this one. Very easy. Comfortable and carry for the
Troubling. One more.
same. This one here.
Which side you are pressing this one?
This one, white color. This.
Oh, white.
You have to press it. This one.
Down.
Then down. Here.
Press it.
Left button.
If you wide open, no need to touch
No need to
anything.
touch anything. This one is closed. Now to open.
Up only.
Yeah.
So this is the one. Now,
Nice.
That's why expensive.
now you know about the brand. The folding is very easy. Try folding. One long folding, one hand folding. Try whenever you have a leisure time. Okay. So let's talk about the feature of brand stroller acquisition. Why? Why the customer is there? So why do we need to give demonstration and give ideas on usage? Why? In order to make this baby safe. How baby are safe? Now this is the frame. Let's talk about the frame. When we move on bus, car, jeep, whichever transport, like airplane, metro, train, you feel the vibration. You feel the vibration? Yeah, there's a vibration. When there's an off-road, when a car is going at high speed, there is some movement.
Yeah, correct.
Because of that movement, even the car can crash. The meaning is, baby bodies are very delicate, not like now. We are very stiff. Day by day, when our baby is going to adult, so there is a energy. I mean, what do you say? It is very delicate. It's sensitive. As you talk, sensitive. So whenever there is any movement in the bus, truck, Anyway, there is suspension in the bus in order to prevent that vibration. Similarly, in this brand, every brand color is. Okay, you can see it's very good, right? This one also.
Vibrate.
So, customer will ask, why? Your stroller is damaged. Yeah.
Yeah, they're asking.
But you don't know about this. Why? Whenever you go to buy anything, if that product is moving, okay, you will definitely say this one is damaged. But it's not. Why? This one is vibrating. Why it's like this? In order to absorb the vibration of road. You know what is the metal? What is the frame made of? It's an alloy. It's an alloy mix of iron,
Aluminum,
copper,
copper.
iron, aluminum, copper, and other metal actually. Okay. So this one is loose. It's not loose actually. In order to absorb the vibration, which a baby body cannot tolerate. Baby body cannot tolerate small vibration. Now baby can survive, and at the age, baby cannot be as mature what a baby is supposed to be mature. So maybe they have some bone disease. Okay, they may have mental disease,
Yeah.
brain diseases.
Yes.
So in order to prevent those things, every of the strollers have vibrant absorbent okay, in the stroller. That's why this the one. Now talking about the wheels, this one is canopy. It's called canopy. Stroller canopy. Why is the use of this canopy? Here in Qatar it's different. Let's talk about the region where there is no, there's a mild temperature. Mostly the fan pushers are used in order for bar digit. Okay, moving malls in the bar. So let's inside the mall, no problem. There's no sun. Now outside the park, outside, there's a direct sunlight coming. There are harmful rays, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays. There are lots of scientific naming rays which can harm our baby skin and body. As I said before, baby body is not like us. They are very sensitive. And then baby, newborn baby needs sunlight, but optimum amount. So this canopy, every canopy you see in the stroller, every canopy gives extra penetrating light, and baby can lie, relax, and sleep relax. That's the extra. Okay, right? You understand? These are the small features, but very important features which you can use while you are going to deal with a customer, with a parent, being as a parent. If I am always dealing with the customer, don't think that I know everything. I be as a parent, then I will deal with the customer. Everywhere you walk around, landmark, every time a customer is coming, if customer wants a stroller, I am there as a parent. So if I were you, I would buy this stroller. Why? Why? Because my baby needs safety and comfortness. Now you can see the cushion is very delicate. Even you have extended canopy, even the vibration is okay. Then if one hand folding, it's very easy for the mother to open and close. This one, and about talking about the rest, it is automatic with the lever pull. So in this way, you have to be confident about your product, and that's why you can deliver to the customer properly. Right? You know that, what do you say this one? when you pin in the target,
The bullseye.
yep, the bullseye. Bullseye. You can pin in the center of bullseye. That confident, if you develop when a customer is there, then you have a good service. Why I am doing this one? Because now we have a hardware. Now we have to focus on hardware. Clothes we are selling.
Yes.
Toys also we are selling. Now we must move hardware.
The good things of
You know
hardware.
why? There is very good benefit on it. If you sell one hardware is equivalent to 17 quantities of clothes. 17, 1 Okay, forget about this offer. Offer, I'm not talking about that. Non-offer item. There are lots of non-offer items. When you are selling 17 pieces of clothes, it's equal to 1 piece of hardware. Okay? Now, question Frank is finished now. Any questions you want to ask? Please.
No, this one, the first one, the cover and down.
Yeah, this cover is in order to protect from heat and
Put like this and then keep it there, right?
yeah, it's the basket. It's in the basket. You can keep in the basket. Mother can keep in the basket.
So if they need
So washable. Yeah, they will inform then. Even if a mother don't want to take this one out, yes, it's all washable. It's all washable. So you can add to customer like this washable.
There's a zipper. So what is the exactly age of the using of the baby?
Now,
Yeah,
now
it's
yes,
written.
yes, good question. Now, good question. This is a good question. Now, every installer has its own properties depending on the frame. Okay. So now we have in Smith, we have starting from newborn to 5 years. In one installer we have size up to 7 years. 7 years. Never ever attend a customer talking them this installer is okay for 5 years. Never. You have to go with the weight of the baby. if a baby is 15 kg, 20 kg, what will be the 4 to 5 years, right? 15 kg baby is like 4 years.
Yes, but sometimes it's depend to the age.
Yes, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No,
That one is
no. Listen,
No, no.
because sometimes the age of the baby is 2 years old, but the kg is 15. Like that. It's depend to the
It depends on the area, country,
yeah.
their diet.
Hmm.
And also there may be some deformities in some disease with the kids, like weight gaining. There will be thyroid. Thyroid is another one disease which makes a body to gain weight. Then after sugar, diabetes also. Okay, these are the common diseases which makes a baby fat. These are now we are talking about the average age. Average. For those kids, there are different types of products. We are not selling for them. So some of these are real cases. These are real cases. In 100 babies, there are 2 babies. This will happen. I'm talking about the average babies. So 15 kg is like 4 years. Something like 4 years. Right? 3 years to 4 years. Now we can use stroller up to 5 years depending on weight of the baby. 25, 26. A stroller can hold 25 to 26 kg baby. Or stroller. I'm not saying this stroller or stroller. Any of this stroller. Okay. So from newborn to 5 years. Normally we are selling, and one product we have is for up to 7 to 8 years. That is
The big one.
duet.
The big one.
Duet. Okay, that's for 2. Now in stroller there are single, twin stroller. Okay, duet for 2 kids. So there are varieties of strollers. This can be rotated, this cannot be rotated. There are different of strollers. Okay. So any other questions? Any questions regarding the stroller? Varieties of stroller where you can let's say fix a car seat with the front and rear view we have, but now it's not present. So I can demonstrate on that stroller. Jason, can you bring that? Now carrier, infant carrier. This one 3 years.
Okay, can I use that?
3 years.
Newborn to 3 years.
Newborn to 3 years. And this one.
Yeah.
So, and the line rest you can do it manually. Okay. Now, why I bring this stroller here? Because to demonstrate you what is front, rear view and front view. Okay. This is front view. This is called front view. This one is called rear.
360.
Now when
There is storm.
yeah, there is a probability when you guys when parents are taking stroller to off-road, there is a probability when the wheels are not locked, they will move here and there, so the stroller may fall. Okay. In order to prevent this one, so we have to lock the wheels and this one will open. So parents can easily handle this one. So this is a small brief we got on stroller. So let's move on. Okay. 5 levels of car seat, which means from newborn to big kids like 12, 14 years. Now you will ask why 14 years car seat is there. There are some kids whose height is not according to the age, so we need the car seat. I will tell you what are the car seat we have to present when a customer is inside. Now infant car seat. Can you bring that maxi coach inside? Newborn to 6 months. Okay, why it is called infant car seat? One is suitable only for newborn to 6 months. So how you will fix this car seat and what is the feature of this car seat? When you want to fix in a car, so you can unfix this one and you can easily
Carry.
carry it. That's why it's called infant carrier.
So we can remove this one also, right? We can remove this one also.
Which one? This one you cannot remove, you can just adjust.
Yeah, no. Okay.
Adjust on this one. So fixing of this car seat, I have to show you inside the car. That's why I call it. So I should take this car seat and this car seat in this. It's all for car seat and this car, so I can fix. So you how to fix this car, but it's not so it's okay. Next time I will demonstrate what this car seat in a car. Okay. So this one is infant carrier car seat because a baby are every time sleeping. You guys know what?
Yeah.
They are not walking, they are crying, eating and sleeping. All the infant babies below 6 months. After 6 months, they will start to grow. Like this. Now you may have seen this is from position, like this position.
The whole day.
C position. It's not flat position. Why?
Baby
Girls can explain more than me.
Nobody says, maybe.
You know,
She has a baby.
in 9 months, how a baby stay in the home of the mother? What position? It's on like this position, right? It's on like this position. Now when they come suddenly to the world, outside world, they will not stay, sleep flat like us. So for that position to be stable, every car seat has this position, infant carrier car seat. And even the cushion should be very delicate. Every infant car seat has very delicate cushion. Very soft.
Soft.
Okay. So this is main feature why we should give this car seat to infant carrier car seat for newborn to 6 months. Now let's go after 6 months.
But it's not depend to the height, the weight. It's not depend on the weight.
6 months. No, it's like what is how much? 9 kg.
Until 9 kg.
Yes. Car seat. Now we'll go to convertible car seat. What car seat? Convertible.
Convertible.
Convertible. Convertible.
What does it mean?
Okay. We have 2 brands of convertible car seat. One is Baby Auto and another is Maxi. Now convertible car seat means you can convert this car seat to your own bed. This on benefit.
Benefit.
Your own bed.
There are age groups which I told you before. There are age groups for the car seat. One infant carrier age group is 0. That is newborn to 6. 0. Now this is suitable for 2 age groups. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. 12 months. One means 1 year. Another is 1 year to 3 years. Okay, 2 years. Now, how you will use for new 6 months to 1 year? How will you use? This can be reclined. Okay, this is reclinable car seat. There are, see, how many positions? 1, 2, 3 positions are there. This third position.
That one is the position.
Yes, these are the indicator for positions. To recline the car. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 positions. Now, how do we use this car seat for infant? There are 2, rear view and front view. Now, this is the driver seat. Front. Imagine, this is the driver seat.
Okay.
This is lying front to the driver seat. Now, when you rotate and fix with the belt, now this is for infant, 6 months to 1 year. Okay, this position is like this. Baby sleeps every time, and it is while there is a sudden break. This infant car seat and this infant carrier car seat and this convertible car seat, it should be rear faced to 1 year. Newborn to 1 year, it should be rear faced. Why? I will tell you. It's not every time same.
This one.
When you move, I mean when you drive, it's not same that you will give a proper brake as you wish. Sometimes there may be accidents. I mean, one vehicle, you are running your car, one vehicle suddenly passed, and you have to put an emergency brake in order to save your baby, right? So driver can adjust their momentum, but baby cannot, because baby are sitting on the car. How they do? You cannot, because they are baby. You cannot hold their body. Now, when there is sudden brake, if car seat is kept rear side, all the bells are locked, then baby will not
Move.
baby will not. For example, if newborn baby is on this one, there is a sudden brake, there is a chances of falling a baby.
Yeah.
Falling a baby, and the bones
Yes.
may get damaged. Okay, damage means there may be accident and bone may get
Fracture.
ruptured, broken. Okay. So whenever this one is rear facing, if a driver have a sudden brake, the baby will,
Not bomb.
they will press on this one, then there will not be that much
Pressure.
on the baby. So whenever customers are there, they are asking for newborn. We show this car seat. We can show this car seat and this car seat for newborn also. How is the useful for newborn? We have to show in this. And after 1 year, a baby can sit like this, and according to
In position number
Oh.
2.
adjustment of baby, parents can recline it. So one position, the sitting position, lying position, and sleeping position. So 3 positions. Okay. Whenever a baby is newborn to 1 year, suggest the customer to on the third. Every time sitting. Don't make it straight. And front facing as for customer, parents convenient. What if? Guys got any question?
Anyone can try? How to recline?
From front, right? From the down.
Down.
For reclining, here is a lever. Here is a lever. You have to press this one. Pull this one here. Up. Then it will slide.
Oh, like this. Okay. Yeah. Only 2 positions coming.
3. That is 3. 1. That's 3.
2, yeah.
2.
3 this one.
1.
Or
That is 1. 2.
One, right?
Yeah, 1.
Let me show
Two.
you. Let me show you. You cannot see like this. See, this is sitting position 1, 2. Fine. So
And you can remove this one and wash by hand. Washable.
every
We'll put in
every
washing
stroller,
machine also. What do you think?
every stroller, every car seat fabric are washable. Okay. If this one is non-washable, it
Hand
will be
wash
problem.
or hand wash?
Okay, now this is a maxi cozy car seat. Now maxi cozy car seat. Maxi cozy just only 15 minutes. I will not take more. Maxi cozy car seat is a ISO fixed car seat. You know what is ISO fixed car seat? It is international standardized fixed section. International standardized. There is a logo. This car seat can be fixed in the cars which have this type of logo. Right here, this type of logo. Only that one, because this car seat is not fixed by the belt. It's fixed by the hook. This hook.
In the car also?
Here is also ISO fixed. This hook will be stuck inside the seat. Let's see. This is the seat of car. Okay. In the middle there is a gap, right? Inside that middle there is a rod. Rod. When you bring this one out, both of these. When you bring this one out, when you insert this one, then this one will be green.
How will be?
This light, there is nothing, right? Now there is nothing.
Will be green.
Whenever you insert properly, this one will turn green. Then green means this fixed.
Lock.
Is fixed. After this one, this is a top tether. And the back side of the car seat, there is one hook. Back side of the car seat. Car,
Like this.
back side of the car seat, there is a hook. So you pull this one, you have to lock this one in that hook, then press this one, then it will automatically lock. So these cars will be fixed, and parents can use this 5-point harness. Okay, harness in order to make their baby turn. Now this one is also a front facing and rear facing car. Now I will tell you how. Now the position you are seeing, this one is rear facing. How it is rear facing? Because the hook it should be back, right, in the car seat. So this one will be like this. Now this is also reclinable car seat. But when you are facing this car seat on the rear side, this will not recline.
Steady.
Fixed. Now this one you will fix, as I told. Now in this one in the front you will fix, then you will tighten, then it's fixed. The one I told you before, how to fix on the ISO. We will do this one also. Don't worry. Okay, we will do it. If there is a car seat, we will do it. I will show you. I will demonstrate everything. And this. Now this is also all reclinable and rotated. How you will rotate? From down. This is 360 rotate. Stand up, stand up. Now this one. Who failed? Let me carry once. Carry this. Carry. I don't need it. Okay. See. there are two levers, one and down here this side, two.
Which one?
Okay.
Then
This
up.
one.
Okay.
Then after pulling this one up, this one front side, you have to pull this one and
Turn it.
rotate.
Can I try?
How to put it back? Same thing?
So now you can try.
Yeah, okay.
Now this is front facing car seat. How it is front facing? Because the hook is back side.
Yeah.
Hook is back side. Okay. Now this is front facing. It can be suitable for starting 1 year to 5 years. Yeah.
This kind of phrasing.
Sorry, no, this one is not 5 years. I thought it's that time. Okay. This one from 9 kg to 18 kg, which means you can use up to 3 years to 4 years. 18 kg. Okay. So the fixing is same as I told. Hook inside the car seat. This one top trailer. Lock and just pull the belt. That is fixed. This is the safest car seat till made. Safest. Is safest for the baby. That's why the price of this one is very high. 2016. 649. Something like that. Okay, 2000. You got me?
Yeah.
Any questions on this one? Why, if a customer will ask why this one is too much expensive? Because of the fabric. Fabric is very soft, and because of ISO fixed,
And rotate.
and it can be rotated 360. Okay, that's when you can try it with. You have to concentrate. Now another last is booster car set, high booster car set. Let's call it high booster car set with 5-point harness. Now this one is suitable starting from the age of 5 years to 12 years. Okay, this one is not an ISO fixed car seat. This one is belt fixed car seat, where a parent has to fix by car seat belt. Now this has got 5-point harness in this one. So use this belt. I will show you. All the belts are same, huh? All this one. This Baby Auto, Mexico, this all Mexico belt is same. You are given an indicator here. Check here, don't do anything. You are given an indicator. You press this one,
So you can adjust from there.
so you can adjust from here. You can pull this one. After this one, you can adjust. You can adjust. Now there is 5-point harness. This is 3-point harness. I will show you 5-point harness. Here, there is hole. There is a bulk. So you fix this one. It's like this. Then 3-point harness. Now see, here is a green indicator, which means it is
Locked.
fixed, locked. Okay. Now baby will sit inside. Can you bring one toy?
Toy.
I'm just giving you example. Now this one car seat. Suppose there is a hand on here. Just pull this one according to the comfort.
Iowa.
Then the baby is tight.
Nice.
Now whenever baby wants to come out,
No?
so baby, we can take a baby out. This is very simple. Okay. Simple. It's very simple. Now this is neither rear. This is not rear facing. It's only front facing. Okay. Front facing. Now from 5 years to 8 or 9 years, a parent can use with the belt. After that, a bed can be removed and they can use by the car seat belt. You can remove this one. Okay. Now I talk about why this one is used for 12 years. Now there are some cases. There are some.
Like
Okay. And why? Suppose baby is 12 years. Baby is 2 years, but the height is short. And when baby wants to sit in a car, then the belt will come in this neck. And at the time of driving, when there is an emergency brake, it's very easy. It's like a danger. So the belt will get stuck and then they will be choking on the road. There is a problem. That's why we use this. This can be used. That car seat to the frenzy. That is called frenzy car seat. Okay. Frenzy, and we have one booster car. Booster. That is used. Booster. That's what I mean. This one don't have belt. It is used for 8 years to above. Why 12 years? There are some babies above 10 years to 12 years. There are some babies whose height is not according to the car seat belt. So in order to adjust the height to the car seat, that booster car seat, and another there is a booster for us. That is used. Can you get me? You got me? So when a customer is coming inside to the store, we have to ask to the customer for what age group they are looking for. The stroller, car seat, whatever we have. For what age group? Now if a customer are coming inside and I want for 2 years, what car seat you will service? Maxi cozy and baby auto. If a customer is coming for what age group? 5 years. I will service this one. Okay, now when it comes to stroller, what age group? I want for 2 years. So we can suggest under quack. Then we have to go off. I want for knee, dual, and other cars. Maybe you have tank carrier along with 6 months plus back. Okay. In this way, we have to deal with the customer depending on the age of the kids, weight of the kids, either. Okay. Now, any question?
So, as you listen, guys, the manager has spoken about regarding the features and the benefits of each and every items. So the staff have knowledge now how to demonstrate and how to tell to the customers what is the features and the benefits of each item. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.